In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove an email address from your Facebook account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more quick Facebook tips just like this. Now, firstly, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is open up the Facebook app just like so, and then tap the menu icon in the bottom right to go ahead and open up this settings page right here. Go ahead and select Settings and Privacy, and then Settings again, and then up at the top where it says Account Center, go ahead and click on that. It's going to open up a page that looks like this. You just want to go ahead and scroll down till you see this Account Settings section, and within here there's going to be a Personal Details option. Go ahead and select that, and then tap Contact Info up at the top. From here you're going to see your email and your phone number. Essentially, go ahead and select whatever email you want to go ahead and delete, and then hit Delete Email just like so. After, just confirm your decision and you're good to go. But that is it. Your email is now going to be removed from your Facebook account. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. But before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.